on this beautiful wig. If you want to know all the details about this amazing deal, stick around. This wig is from Megalook hair. It is a 4x4 straight closure wig. It's transparent. This is in a 22-inch, but to be honest, this wig...
Brown skin, pretty light skin, pretty dark skin. I see African written in your DNA. Hella choco melanin from the motherland with your black skin. Never should you want it any other way. First things first, I'm blackity black, black. I'm blackity black, black. I'm blackity black, black. If you don't like that, you wackity whack, whack. You wackity whack. I said what I said, and that's that. This is for the queens that's rocking them kinky twists. From box braids to bantu knots and four lips. Them dreadlocks, crochets, afros, and real.
It feels really good and it looks beautiful. It straightens really nicely. It gets bone straight, as you guys can see. I did put some oil in it just to finish off the look, and that definitely helped it get even flatter, so I'm glad that I did that. I did apply just the tiniest bit of foundation. The flyaways, like, they are so short.